This here is a Caterpillar backhoe. I got 420E. I'm not sure if that's just for the loader. I think that's the front end loader. It's got outriggers on it. It is a 2-wheel drive. This just came out of service for the Mr. Company. It's a Caterpillar 420E. Okay, I was right. I didn't want to tell you wrong. It's a front end loader with a backhoe. Outriggers work. It's got an enclosed cab. Heat, air conditioning, radio. Got 2 nice buckets with it. Outriggers going up. Other outriggers going up. Swivel seat. Boy, that's nice. Actually, this was driven in. The municipality brought this in, they drove it in. It's a really nice machine. I'll grab you a picture of the cab here real quick. Nice machine, isn't it?
What's that?
Nice machine.
Oh yeah, 2-wheel drive.
Yep.
They drove it in from the county, right in Ravenna. The
Heated.
right brake over there grabbed a little bit, but no big deal.
Okay. And the heat and air conditioning work and everything?
I didn't check it.
Oh, okay. Here's the hour meter there. Pop up in here. You can see the radio's on. I don't know how the heat and air conditioning work, but I think they said
comfortable backhoe.
it is. Here we go. Here's the heat and air conditioning. Yep.